welcome back to the video. Tried to film the intro before this, but you guys were too down low and it was like, I wasn't in the frame, but this is a 2011 Chinese 49cc two-stroke that I picked up off the old marketplace, and they were selling it for $225. I said, what's your bottom dollar? They said $150, and I was like, ooh, that's a bit more than I wanted to pay. So I offered $100. They said, come pick it up. So I did. I did take this off because I was cleaning the carburetor because it would only start for a second or rev up and then completely shut off. So now we're going to be fully restoring this bike, going to keep everything except the carburetor is getting changed and possibly these wheels are getting changed, as well as the bearings and the throttle. But I guess we'll get started on this, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so this is what the bike's looking like. I don't know how much camera footage saved from the actual camera. I'm on my phone right now. That's what I'm recording this on. I mean, it's a bit of a mess, but I have got this. These are to the forks, and this is to the triple clamps. So, I mean, they're loose right now, but I'm going to pull the forks. Right now, I've pulled the seat, but thing is, there's another bolt that I have to, that's right there. So, other than that, I just need to pull this off, and then we're down to mostly the frame, and then I'll take the engine off and all that. But I'll get that on video. I'll just start recording like different parts probably of it, because again, I don't have another SD card that, well, I do, but it's full also, and my dad took the other SD card that had like 13,000 space left on it. But yeah, all right, well, I'll see you in the next clip. Kind of completely forgot to film, but the frame is all framed down, and I'm going to be replacing these bearings probably like tomorrow or something, before I have my race Sunday. Obviously want to bring this, but won't be ready in time, and they don't allow pit bikes, so that's the only issue. But I mean, like, all this, like, really, I mean, I have a razor blade right there, then I'm gonna cut all this off, and there's like nothing left on this frame. But I probably will start putting stuff back together like next Monday, or this Monday coming up. It's Friday right now, so I probably will get to it next week, but it should cut to me Monday putting well, here's my brand new project that obviously I already started. I'm making a YouTube video on it, but it's getting picked up for $250, I think it is. Bought it for $100, put a $17 carburetor in it. Brand new spark plug that's going to go in it. Fully put it down, or not put it down, but like fully took the whole thing apart, greased up everything. And then me and my friend Dante, I'll tag him in the video. Basically, we got this to run after I put it back together, and then we were ripping in like the school, like, I don't even know, like the school field kind of, and then he said it started to feel like he was drifting, and then the tire popped. So this just needs a rear tire or inner tube, and then she's good to go. I also got a rear, I got a front fender, but we took that off, so, you know, look, it's the gas version of a Suron.